Hi Brainbox. Welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. For this video, we will be dealing with a new topic that will help us in identifying errors in sentences. But before we continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted for more review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. The best way to approach this topic is to look for tips and tricks that would easily guide you in identifying errors from the given sentences. Follow through these simple steps to identify sentence construction errors. First tip is to read the entire sentence. Slowly understanding the text will help you determine context clues signifying the grammar construction of the sentence. Even if you think you already know the answer at a glance, still make sure to run through the whole sentence to prevent you from falling into traps. Do not rush things. Take it slowly but surely. The second tip is to check the underlined terms or phrases 2 or more times a charm. Sometimes during our first read, we cannot immediately find the error. Try checking each underlined part individually and analyze which word or phrase would make the sentence incorrect. For instance, look into the subject-verb agreement, use of tenses, capitalization, and spelling. Also, do not forget to eliminate the choices that don't have an error. Lastly, confirm if the answer you picked is the incorrect option. Just because an option sounds weird, does not mean that it is an error. It all depends on the logical construction of the sentence. Get rid of any misconceptions to achieve comprehension. The next part of this video will run you through a full error checklist presenting an outline for some questions you need to ask yourself before choosing the error in the sentence. For verbs, check if the word or words used have the correct case and form. Evaluate if it also agrees with the subject of the sentence. In checking the pronouns, look if it agrees with the noun it is replacing, and if it is in the correct case. For the ing verbs called gerunds, complete the checklist guide by initially checking if the sentence is creating a sentence fragment, if there are parallel verbs, and if the gerund was incorrectly switched with an infinitive. For prepositions, you need to check if the words are idiomatically correct and does it correctly complete a word pair. In the case of adjectives and adverbs, determine if the modifier used is the correct type. Next in the list is to look for the conjunctions, if it logically connects ideas and phrases. For nouns, identify if they are in part of a faulty comparison. And lastly, relative pronouns. Ask yourself if they have a clear noun antecedent. To test your understanding of this topic, let us try to apply the tips and checklist given in the previous slides through the following examples. Try to find the error in this sentence. Marco is okay with spoiling his family sometimes. Find the error from the given options. Answer E. No error if you can't find any mistakes from the sentence. Letter C is the error in this sentence. This is because the word his is a contraction of the words he and is. This is incorrect and therefore should be replaced by a possessive pronoun, his, to indicate that the family, as the object of the sentence, pertained in the example is Marco's. Now, let's move on to the next example. Bangkok and Tokyo, along with Paris, is some of the most visited cities in the world. Find the error from the given options. Answer E. No error if you can't find any mistakes from the sentence. The correct answer is letter B in the given sentence. The subject included 2 places, Bangkok and Tokyo. With the prepositional phrase, along with, it does not have a bearing on the grammar construction of the given example. The incorrect linking verb should be replaced by the word a, as the verb to be used should agree with the plural case of the subject in accordance with the rules of subject-verb agreement. Alright, now let's test what you have learned through a quick practice exercise. Kindly refer to the following sentences below and determine which among the options is the error from the bunch of choices. You have 15 seconds to answer each item. Best of luck! For item number 1, before exploring the island, Sheila plans to go swimming, snorkeling, and diving. Select the error from the given options or write letter E. If the sentence does not have errors, you will be given 15 seconds to answer each item. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter E. There is no error. The verb tense used is simple present. This agrees with all the parts of the sentence. For item number 2, Francis and Alyssa are enjoying the Barbie movie. Does they? Select the error from the given options or write E. No error if the sentence has no flaws. You will be given 15 seconds to answer this exercise. The timer starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is letter D. This example shows a tag question. The basic structure proceeds on having a positive statement followed by a negative tag, or vice versa. Based on the sentence given, the tag question does not follow the structure of the main sentence. A positive statement is followed by a positive tag, which is incorrect in the rules of basic structure. Answer: letter D is incorrect. Instead of having "does they," it should be replaced by "aren't they." The asserting linking verb should be followed by the tag of the same form. For the last item, the large fan base of the group signify that they are better than the others. Choose the error from the given options or select letter E. No error. You will only be given 15 seconds to answer this item. The timer starts now. Time's up. The last practice exercise is incorrect with the letter B. This is a case of subject-verb agreement. Verb follows the subject. Since the subject in the sentence is in a singular collective form, the verb should also be in a singular form. Signify should be replaced by signifies. How are your scores? We hope you find this video insightful. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.